If you order a fire piston, it's going to come in a box like this. When you open it up, you'll find a sticker, the fire piston itself, and a little pouch of char cloth. There's a few pieces of char cloth inside the paper bag. You want to pull out a little bit. A small piece is more than enough. After you pull the piston out, you want to crumple up the char cloth and press it into the end. The more frayed it is, the better it works. If you don't pack it well, you'll lose the ember. Once you have everything set up, you depress the plunger quickly. If you do it fast enough, there will be a small ember at the end when you pull it out. You can blow on it to make it hotter as you transfer the ember to your tinder. When you're done, you'll notice the trapped air prevents the plunger from depressing. Unscrew the end, depress the plunger, and tighten the end back. This will trap the plunger in place.